Hello everyone. Let us understand the concept of object-oriented programming. As a beginner, we must have to understand the core concepts. Here are the few points about Java abstraction. An abstract class in Java is a class that cannot be instantiated and serves as a base class for other classes. Abstract classes are declared using the abstract keyword and can contain both abstract and concrete methods. An abstract class can contain constructors but cannot be instantiated. An abstract class can have any number of concrete and abstract methods. A class that extends an abstract class must provide an implementation for all of its abstract methods. An abstract class can also have static and non-static fields. An abstract class can extend another abstract class or a concrete class. An abstract class can have final methods that cannot be overridden by subclass. Alright, I am in Eclipse. So I will go through few of the points and I'll try to demonstrate the abstract concept in Java. Okay, the first point is an abstract class in Java is a class that cannot be instantiated and serves as a base class for other classes. Okay, before that I'm going to create an abstract class. Remember, for abstract class we need the keyword abstract class simple. So this is the way that we can create abstract class in Java. So this is mandatory, this particular keyword. Abstract classes are declared using the abstract keyword and can contain both abstract and concrete methods. Inside abstract class we can have concrete as well as abstract method. So I'll let you know what is the meaning of concrete method. Say I have something int sum, then num1 int num2 return so any method that has curly braces is called concrete method. That means a method which has a body is called concrete method. So this is a method name, sum is the method name, and it has a body is inside this bracket. Okay, so it is also possible that an abstract class may not have body. Okay, so I can write something like a string, say something. Okay, so this is also possible. So for this what I need to do, I need to use abstract. Okay, this is a method sum with body, concrete method, and this is say something, it does not have body. So that means an abstract class can have both concrete method and abstract method. Okay, so I explained these 2 points. Okay, let's go to the third point. An abstract class can contain constructor but cannot be instantiated. Okay, we can have constructor inside abstract classes, so but we cannot make object of abstract class. So any constructor that when we write, it has to match with the name of the class. So say I'm writing something sample some parameter. Okay, now you might be thinking that I should be able to create an object of sample, something like this. Okay, so although that I have a constructor inside this sample abstract class, but I cannot use new keyword to create object of sample abstract class. So that is what point that 3 is saying, that we cannot have object of abstract class. Okay, now coming to the point number 4, let me delete these things. An abstract class can have any number of concrete and abstract methods. Okay, that I already have explained that. Okay, so let me delete this. So I have one concrete method sum, and I have one abstract method which is say something. So an abstract class can have both concrete and abstract method. So we can have any number of abstract method and concrete methods. So number 5, a class that extends an abstract class must provide an implementation for all of its abstract methods. Okay, so if I try to extend this particular class, what I have to do, class my implementation extends sample. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to create another class that extends this sample class, but Eclipse is showing one error. It says the type my implementation must implement the inherited abstract method sample say something. Okay, it says that I have to implement this method, then it will. Okay, let me add first. So now that error has gone. That means when we try to extend any abstract class, we must have to implement abstract method of that particular abstract class. Okay, number 6, an abstract class can also have static and non-static fields. So inside abstract class we can have static and non-static fields. So static can be defined like this. So it can be static field as well as string. So this is also allowed. This is non-static, this is static. Okay, number 7. An abstract class can extend another abstract class or a concrete class. Let me delete this one and let me create another abstract class. Abstract class my another class which extends sample. Okay, so you can see that I am defining another abstract class, and that again inherits something from sample. It extends. Okay, an abstract class can extend another abstract class or concrete class. so it is extending an abstract class. It is also possible that this class extends another concrete class which is not abstract. Okay, number 8, it is not necessary to have abstract method in abstract class, but if any abstract methods are available, the class must be declared as abstract. This point is very important. Okay, so what is the meaning of this line, especially this particular line? What it is mean? Say that I have something like this, a class sample. Okay, and I'm trying to write something here, say string, say something, then return. This say something has concrete it is a concrete method, it has a body, so, and also sample class is not an abstract class, so it does not have any problem. Now I want to make this say something as abstract, so I have to use abstract. Now it says that this class has a problem. The type sample must be an abstract class to define abstract methods. Okay, so it's saying that a concrete class should not have an abstract method. The class must be abstract class. So if I add abstract, then this problem will be corrected. That's it. Okay, an abstract class can have final methods that cannot be overridden by subclasses. We can have also final methods in abstract class. Okay, say that final int add int num1 int num2 return num1 plus num2. So I declared sample as an abstract class, and inside this abstract class there is a method add which is a final. Now if I try to extend this sample class, my class extends sample. Okay, and it says that I have to implement the unimplemented method, so I have implemented this one. Now if I try to write again in this class, it will give errors. It says that cannot override the final method from sample, because we have marked this add method as final. The meaning is that any class that extends this sample in that class subclass, we cannot override this method again. That is what it says. An abstract class can have final methods, but that cannot be overridden in subclass. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video.